All right, we're back at it with the truck series saga, and what we're going to do right now is we're going to get this bed off so that we can clean and prepare the frame for restoration. So we're gonna do that. So right now Brandon's under there getting lube juice on the studs, and then we'll get all those off, and then we'll take this thing off and get to working on the frame. So
get to work.
Let's get to work. Brandon's sweeping up his weight reduction here. So we got all of them out. We didn't break anything at all. We've got the fuel filler neck disconnected. We have the taillights out so that the harnesses can stay on the frame. And we picked it up and it's loose. So we're just gonna clear a space right now.
We didn't break that one bolt.
We didn't break it.
I broke that one bolt on the neck.
Oh, and the clamp? Clamps don't count.
Clamps don't count.
That's
Nothing
consumable.
happened.
We're
Disregard.
good. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll sweep this up and then we'll get the bed off.
We'll get back to work.
Get back to work. All right, let's get it off. So the only thing
What are you questioning?
so these have to kind of go through a little hole.
Oh,
You see it?
Yeah.
I think it'll be okay though. We found out there's just a single connector under the back, and it disconnects all of the electronics on the bed. So we put the taillights back in. All right, lift with your back. Oh, mine's back heavy. Oh, it's stuck. Yeah, back down. I think I got it unstuck. Oh, it's...
You want this side? This side's lighter.
This side's sticking on something.
Swap me.
Okay. My side's sticking. This side's sticking. It's yours. No, look, it sticks.
My side's up.
Where are you grabbing?
The wheel well. Did you watch the footage?
You're taller than me. Back down. That's heavy.
I don't know what I got.
What did you do? Did you grab a spider?
I don't know what it was stuck on. It felt like there was a beam a foot tall.
There's nothing. We were up.
I couldn't get it to go this way. Like everything was moving except for this corner.
It was stuck.
Okay. I'm ready to go again. You ready?
Yeah. We're stuck on something.
Mud flaps. It's the mud flaps, dude. It's the mud flaps.
Oh. Oh,
Sit on the mud flaps, dude. And I don't want to those mud flaps up.
Okay. What was I?
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah. The mud flaps. Oh man.
Okay, I'm gonna get it up just a little higher off those mud flaps.
Turn that off. Turn it off.
I don't know.
It's on the top. All right. Here's what it looks like. We've got some surface rust, some flaking, but nothing's rotted out.
We got a brand new 1988 Yokohama
Tire. Is that spin?
Yeah, I just loosened it. Look,
Oh, wow.
This thing is
Thing's ready.
thing's nice.
Sweet.
Everything else messed up. This, no. You need a spare, you need it now. Mitsubishi's got you covered.
Dodge.
Mitsubishi.
Whoa! Okay, so this is right here. We got this tipped up just so we could look at the bottom and get it cleaned up. But yeah, this is what we have to work with. Action.
Welcome back. So we're gonna spray all this out with some air, get all the dust, debris out of there. Spritz it down with the spirits of mineral. Scrub a dub, more minerals. Then we'll rinse it out and it should be nice and clean in there.
Yeah, and then we'll be able to see where we need to hit with new paint, or it looks like down on the frame we might have to do some
converter.
Yeah, a little converter, and then repaint it. We'll keep the frame black, but all the gray will be original because it's in good shape. But yeah, let's start spraying.
You wanted me to say praying so bad, didn't you?
So that is clean. Everything's clean. We can see everything now. All the layer of I mean everything. All of the layers of life.
Layers of life.
Life, yeah.
We got all the nicotine out.
All the nicotine's gone. So I think what we're gonna do from here is we're going to get the frame and all this under stuff cleaned up in the engine bay and in the back. So we're gonna knock all the loose stuff off and pour 15 the frame and just you know, prevent it from rusting out and also make it look nice. So whenever you're underneath the truck, you'll be able to see it that, hey, that looks nice.
Hey, somebody clean this.
Yeah. So, but now we're not going to get dirty touching it, and we can see everything, and it's in really good shape.
Yeah, there's not 36 years worth of dirt on this anymore.
No, there's not. And nothing's rotted out. So yeah, that was good work. Good work, Brandon.
Thank you.
Here's a before and after of the cleaning. The next day, we found the unicorn transmission that we've been looking for, so we had to go and get it. That's because we're going on a radical sabbatical.
Going on a radical sabbatical.
What's going on here? What time is it?
It's too late.
It's too late. It's 11 o'clock at night. We're going to North Carolina.
We got 2 bangs.
Yeah. So we're going
That's
to...
just for me to
What?
get to Ohio.
to Ohio. Wait. We're going to Ohio first?
Through Ohio.
Oh, okay.
Through Kentucky.
Okay. But why?
Just to get to North Carolina.
North Carolina. What's in North Carolina?
I got one of those K134s there. Is that what it is? 132?
132. KM132. We found a unicorn transmission for the D50.
In case you don't know, I am Brandon. something to know about me is 4G63T swapping a D50.
And one of the ways to do that is with a unicorn transmission. It's a 5-speed 4x4 narrow transmission, and that's what we're shooting for with this truck.
15,000 made within 11 months.
Yeah, only in 84 is what we found. We found a junkyard that's within close enough-ish distance, and it's cheap, and we had to measure it up, and it has the transfer case on it, so we gotta go get it.
It's ours.
It's ours. We gotta go get it. So we're starting here at 11, and we're gonna drive.
Unless you have a freight account, we'll ship it through you.
Yeah, but we already have it
late.
now. If you're watching this, we have it.
It's too late.
So,
thanks for nothing.
but let's hit the road.
Let's get to driving.
Let's get to driving.
Right.
We're in Cincinnati.
Some Cincinnati bagels.
We're about to go. Where are we going? Oh no! Oh, are we in Kentucky?
I'm not paying no tolls.
Welcome to Kentucky.
Oh man,
Take out my information.
we're gonna have to change your name or something.
Well, hey, welcome to Kentucky, home of the toothbrush.
Wait.
Because anywhere else it would have been called the teeth brush.
All right, we just got gas. We're somewhere in Kentucky. We stopped at, got gas, got some McDonald's.
Missed the Buc-ee's.
Missed the Buc-ee's.
Head
We'll get it on the way.
southwest toward Access Road, then turn left onto Access Road.
We will.
We will, and then we'll hit the Buc-ee's on the way back. But
Had
yeah,
had to stop, and relieve ourselves.
yeah.
Some gentleman in the bathroom says, "Notice you've been holding that a while," but I couldn't find him.
I went and I couldn't find him either.
There's nobody in the bathroom.
It wasn't me.
He was getting McDonald's,
Yeah, but we went back and checked, and there was no one in there.
but I was
So-
empty, so I couldn't.
Yeah,
Couldn't replicate the
right.
comment again.
No. So we're gonna hit the road. We're about 4 hours away.
Making great time.
Making great time. We actually had to slow down because we were gonna get there before they opened.
We're too efficient.
Too efficient. It's because this is turbocharged.
It's got the T. It's not 4G, but
It's T.
it's T.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Upon further research, these manual 4x4 narrow block transmissions came on multiple years of the early 2-liter Mighty Max and D50s. This one just happened to be an 84. But anyway, enjoy this beautiful sunrise over the Smoky Mountains on our way down to North Carolina. We made it to the junkyard. They just opened a couple minutes ago. And we made it 6 minutes ago.
They're still brewing
Well,
coffee
no, that's
for us.
clock. That or fast. That clock's fast.
It is.
What time?
It's 5 fast.
It's 5 fast. Yeah.
They're still brewing coffee for
They're
us.
still brewing coffee. The gate's halfway open. Hopefully they still have this thing. You called them yesterday, day before yesterday.
Monday.
What day is it?
It's Thursday.
It is Thursday. A few days ago.
And I talked to a woman. She wanted to get hands-on. And I said, you don't need to do that. Listen, this thing's been here for 25 years. I've called the last 2 weeks. You've had it. If anybody picks it up in the last 2 weeks, we're going to find them.
We are.
We're in North Carolina. How
Well-
far could they have gotten?
Right. We can get their last known address from the books.
Yep.
So
And we make great time here, so we got plenty of buffer.
we got buffer. So
Bruce buffer.
let's hopefully let's go get this transmission. I got it. Let's go home.
Let's go home. 4G6 T swap this D50.
Yeah! Thanks for watching. In the next one, we'll get back to restoring the frame, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.